Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are checking out this charging case for your GoPro Hero. So this is specifically designed for GoPro Hero batteries of 5, 6, Hero 7, 8, 9, and 10. Absolutely mind-blowing that you can actually use all of those different GoPro camera batteries with this. Now, whoa, I'm sorry, I got taken back here a little bit. That is really that was designed really nice. Wow. That is really nice, my friends. Check out this. Adapters for this. So they have adapters for your different battery sizes. That is unbelievable. That is really nice. So you press the power and it indicates on here how much percentage is left. Also indicates if it's charging or if it's done charging. Power off, you double tap to power off. Yeah, so you just double tap to power it off and you press the power to turn it on. They of course give you a user manual in there. So I want to go over something that is really amazing with this. First of all, they provide you with two Type-C, USB to Type-C cables, and they are very long, so you got plenty of cable. So there's a USB outlet here, and once you have the other one plugged in to a USB port, so this Type-C, oh no, excuse me guys, there's actually Type-C to Type-C. I apologize for that. So you have Type-C to Type-C. And then you have a USB to Type-C cable. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the Type-C cable with the USB end, and we're just going to simply connect this. And this will allow us to charge. So as you guys can see, it's blinking, it's charging. So this is portable. So you only plug this into the Type-C end when you're charging it, and then you can take this on the go anywhere you want, because this is actually a power bank. So you're charging the power bank, which then charges your batteries. And when you're on the go, you can then use the same cable, the USB end, and plug it in here, and then plug this into any port that you want as well. You can also then take this and you can connect directly to a GoPro if you want as well. So this is not just a simple housing unit to charge your batteries, but it's also a portable unit, and you can also charge other devices with it as well, like my cell phone, for example. Here we have our cell phone. We go ahead and unplug this from the back, take our Type-C to Type-C, take this, plug it in our phone. You should hear a sound. That means our phone is charging. Right there. And not only is it charging, it's rapid charge. So charging rapidly. And that's all directly from this box. So you can charge your tablet, your phone, your GoPro directly from this box. It's an all-in-one unit. Now let's go ahead and charge my battery. Alright, my friends, so we have this battery that's for an 8, 7, 6, or 5. It's an aftermarket battery. So what you would do is you could directly put it in if it directly fits the size. If it doesn't, then you use their adapter, place it in just like that. And let's see here. Now we put it in like that and drop this down right here. And there. Now you see it red. That means it's charging that battery. Once it turns green, then it's charged, and it's that simple. The adapters work. I'd show you guys my Hero 10 battery, but that's what we're using to record this video, so I gotta stock up. But overall, I'm very impressed with this. I like this a lot. And look at this. I just noticed this. Look at this. SD card slot right in here. You can hold your SD cards in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 slots for SD cards. So this is seriously the best power bank all-in-one system I have ever seen in my entire life. This is amazing, my friends. Holds SD cards, holds all through range of GoPro batteries, and it can also charge your other devices as well. Wow. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm impressed, my friends.